Student, today we are going to learn about advertisement and drafting of advertisements. Advertisement is very interesting topic for students. Advertisement designing is a very exciting profession with full of creativity. Let's know about advertisement. What is an advertisement? It is a notice or announcement for promoting a product, promoting a service or event, publicizing a job vacancy, matrimonial proposal. It is very powerful medium to influence the minds of the masses. It is mainly used to buy or sell things or to give and collect information. Advertisement, which may be in the form of notice, picture, or film, is purely commercial in nature. It reaches the masses through newspapers, TV, radio, and cinema. And here are various types of advertisements. There are two types of advertisements. First one is classified and another one is commercial. Pictures are shown in the slides. When we come to the classifieds, we find that we find certain things that the word limit of classifieds is minimum. These are to the point. The language of the classified is simple, factual, and formal. There are these examples of classifieds. First one is travel and tour, matrimonial, to let, situation vacant, property, placement services, lost and found, consultancy, career guidance, and obituary. Here is a overview of classifieds. Look at the slides. Uh, these are these are some pages of the newspapers. So the picture of classified is shown in this slide. When we talk about commercial advertisements, there are certain qualities of commercial advertisements like these advertisements have more words, these are more expressive. Commercial advertisements are visually attractive with pictures and sketches. Language is catchy, witty, and stylish. Contains name and address of company, institute, or organization, the details of the product or event, and so on. There are various examples of these commercial advertisement like advertisement of customer goods and services, advertisement of different companies, bank advertisement, and advertisement of any institute. This is this. These are some pictures which are shown in this slide. These are few example of commercial advertisements. This is very important to know about how to draft a advertisement. Like when we try to draft an advertisement, we should take some important point into consideration. Like drafting and designing an advertisement is an art. Advertisement designers develop advertisements for the promotions of goods and products. The main aim of an advertisement is to promote sales and business. Therefore, advertisement designer uses catchy, simple, and effective language to tempt the readers to go for it. Advertisement should be brief and to the point. For this, subjects, verbs, and other unimportant words are avoided. Advertisement should not be made heavy, lengthy, and dull by using long sentences. स्टूडेंट्स, जब हम एडवर्टीज़मेंट को ड्राफ्ट करते हैं तो उस समय हमें कुछ बातों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि एडवर्टीज़मेंट टू द पॉइंट हो और उसमें अनइम्पॉर्टेंट वर्ड्स जैसे सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब इनको हमें हटा देना चाहिए और एडवर्टीज़मेंट को कभी भी बड़ा नहीं बनाना चाहिए जिससे कि वो दर्शकों को या रीडर्स को डल ना लगे. Now come to the classified. How to draft a classified. Suppose we have to draft a classified for sale of a bike. मान लीजिए हमको अपनी एक बाइक को बेचना है, तो देखते हैं. Let's see the image of the bike and find the details needed to be put in the advertisement. Brand is Hero Honda. Model Splendor 2005 model. Color black. Condition excellent. Run 10,000. ये 10,000 किलोमीटर चली है. Why are we selling it? Answer is owner is going abroad. Contact owner's phone number is also needed. So with the given information, we can create this kind of classified for sale. Bike Hero Honda Splendor 2005 model, black color, run 10,000 kilometers, in excellent conditions. Owner going abroad. Contact Vineet Kumar. Mobile number 1234567890. स्टूडेंट्स, आपने देखा कि इस तरह के एडवर्टीज़मेंट में, क्लासिफाइड में किसी भी वर्ड का या अननेसेसरी वर्ड का हमने इस्तेमाल नहीं किया है. तो ये क्लासिफाइड की एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है जो आपको याद में रखना है, और इसको हमेशा हमें बॉक्स में बनाना है. There are various points to remember, like classifieds are in the range of 50 words. ये 50 शब्द से ऊपर नहीं जाना चाहिए. Clearly put the category, for example, to let, situation vacant, for sale. क्योंकि ये एडवर्टीज़मेंट है तो इसमें हमें कैटेगरी को बिल्कुल स्पष्ट करना है. पुट द मैटर इन अ बॉक्स. क्लासिफाइड को लिखने का एक तरीका होता है बॉक्स में, तो बॉक्स बना के हमको लिखना है. प्रोवाइड कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स लाइक एड्रेस एंड फ़ोन नंबर क्लियरली. There are various types of classifieds like situation vacant, lost and found, sale and purchase, to let, matrimonial, packers and movers, tours and travels, and placement services. There is a format of situation vacant classifieds, like if we have to create a classified for situation vacant, we must remember these things, like always start with wanted or required, mention the name of the organization, state number of vacancies and the post, mention the age and gender if mentioned, mention the qualification experience required, mention the pay scale, perks and mode of application, whether it is in the form of hard copy or via email, provide the address and contact number for correspondence, and last but not least, put everything in a box. So this is a classified for situation vacant. Like a daily, like Delhi-based MNC requires IT professionals, 10 positions on a full-time or part-time with 2 or 3 experience in C++ and Java, age below 30, package 5 LPA, mail resume to abc at delhimnc.com or visit www.delhimnc.com for details. ये क्लासिफाइड था सिचुएशन वेकेंट के लिए. This is a classified for to let. Always start with wanted or required. हमको इस तरह की क्लासिफाइड में सबसे ऊपर हमें लिखना है wanted or required. Mention the type of accommodation, whether it is a flat or shop or duplex, and its location, whether the accommodation is in a colony or on road. Mention the expected rent. Mention other key features if provided, like whether it is fully furnished or half furnished, etc. Provide the contact details, address or phone number clearly. With the given information, we can create the classified like this. Here is an example. 2 BHK fully furnished flat available in Amaltas Colony, Nagda. 24 hours water supply, secured campus, 10 minutes walk from railway station, 5 minutes walk from bus stand, small family preferred, rent 5,000 negotiable, contact the phone number is given in this classified. तो स्टूडेंट्स आपने देखा कि इसमें हमने अ, अ, बहुत ही कम शब्दों में बहुत ही कम वर्ड्स में हमने पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन दे दी है और ये क्लासिफाइड तैयार हुआ. When we draft classified for sale and purchase, we need to learn something very clearly, like start with the for sale or purchase, available or wanted. Mention type of accommodation, vehicle or household item. Provide physical description or condition of the item. Mention the expected price. Mention contact details clearly. And with the above input we can create a classified like this is a classified for sale of a refrigerator. And when we create lost and found classifieds, we need to learn these things, like begin with lost and found, स्पेसिफाई आइटम कि कौन सी चीज़ कौन सी वस्तु के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. प्रोवाइड ब्रीफ फिजिकल डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ दैट थिंग. मेंशन व्हेन एंड वेयर इट वाज लॉस्ट और फाउंड. रिवॉर्ड इफ एनी. मेंशन कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स क्लियरली. And here is a classified for lost. A brown German Shepherd, 5-month-old, double layer fur male dog lost. Last seen near Fountain, Amaltas Colony, Nagda. Reward rupees 5,000. Contact 12345. This number goes on. So this was a classified for lost. And format for tours and travels classifieds is begin with package available, etc. Mention name of the travel agency, destination and duration. Provide details of the package, food, boarding and places covered or sightseeing. Cost and special discount. Provide contact details like phone number or email. And the classified will be like this. Package available for Char Dham Yatra starting 15th May, Bhopal for 10 days, 11 nights. Special train with food and lodging covered in package. Medical aid available full time. Cost 12,000 per person. Contact Mohanlal Travels and phone number is given below. सो स्टूडेंट्स आज हमने सीखा कि क्लासिफाइड्स एडवर्टीज़मेंट्स क्या है और एडवर्टीज़मेंट्स कितने प्रकार के होते हैं. देयर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ एडवर्टीज़मेंट्स. वन इज़ क्लासिफाइड और अदर इज़ कमर्शियल. एंड वी लर्न क्लासिफाइड टुडे. With the help of the given information which you got from my lesson, now create a classified of your choice. Before we end this class, prepare a classified for your choice. Thank you.